Hi, it's Miss Goodrich. Today I'm going to read The Big Umbrella by Amy June Bates and co-written with Juniper Bates. Very cute. By the front door, there is an umbrella. It's big. It is a big, friendly umbrella. It likes to help. It likes to spread its arms wide. It loves to give shelter. It loves to gather people in. It doesn't matter if you are tall or hairy or plaid. It doesn't matter how many legs you have. Look at that doggy. Some people worry that there won't be enough room under the big umbrella. But the amazing thing is, there is. Look at that bird's foot right there. It's humongous. There is always room. The end. What a cute, nice story about a wonderful umbrella. I hope you enjoyed.